First morning back at the house. You can see there's just leaves and debris everywhere. But the house is in good shape. The front tree is still there. Um, the big tree at the end of the driveway is still there. Looks like Bob and Barb had a lot of stuff down. I guess they've had people clean it up already. Some. You can see there's one of the big trees that came down. You can see snapped in half up there. Oh yeah, here it is. Looks like it took out the fence. Wow. That one came pretty close to the house too. We got lucky there. Now let's just go under here and see. Yeah, ooh, it destroyed the fence here. Oh, actually, this is a different tree. This one just got uprooted. That one just snapped in half. It's on the fence, but didn't break the fence anymore there. But this one is, yeah, kind of flattened out the fence a bit. Can't really go back through here, so going around the other side to check out the other side of the house. Looks like the neighbors on this side did good. I don't see any issues there. This big tree in their yard is fine. There's lots and lots of stuff on the step, branches and leaves and everything. Gonna get some good use out of a rake, that's for sure. The basketball hoop is good. That's where I had put it, so it's still in good shape. Roof looks okay up there. These trees here are okay. Wow, you can really tell things cleared out behind the swing set. Bob and Barb had some big trees come down. Looks like they did some cutting over here from this side. Yeah, they had this huge tree in Bob and Barb's yard just came down. You can hardly see the back of their house. And there's some things on their house, but I think they're okay. All of those, wow. All the bamboo trees in the back of their yard is just totally cleared out. And on our side of the fence, some of the things, several trees came down here too. Going back over this way, looks like that's another tree. There's the top of a pine tree that came down. It looks like that's right here. That one came down. May have taken out a little bit of that fence, I don't know. Here's up against the deck, but it looks like the deck railing's still okay. Come in here and step over the tree. Ooh. Trampoline's still there. I had flipped it over and laid it down flat. It's amazing how cleared out it got in there. Okay, so here's the back of the house. Like I said, all the windows are intact. Even that gutter looks okay. Maybe a little bit on that edge it got from this big tree, but I'm not sure. There's another tree that came down in there. So this is the big one on the deck. And I'm not really sure where that came from. And there's more stuff here. Kind of see if I can work my way under here. Wow. There's this tiny little passageway between the trees to the deck, so you can just get to the deck this way. There's the trunk in the deck. So we do have a hole in the deck where that trunk came down. And I'm not even sure what tree this came from. It's the top of a pine tree. Now I'm trying to look for a pine tree that could have come from. That's that one. So it did hit the gutter on the way down. So we have some damage there to the gutter. Looks like we have some damage to the gutters around the bay window. Lots of stuff on the roof, but the shingles all look to be in good shape. There's a branch up on the roof up there. I want to make sure that didn't go into the roof, but it looks like it's, hopefully it's just sitting on the roof. Yeah, but I don't know what tree this is the top of. Maybe something back in there. These two big ones are still here. You can hear the sounds of chainsaws in the distance. So people are starting to get working on stuff. So that was a really powerful storm. To see that it just snapped this tree in half, snapped that one in half. I mean, it didn't take little branches off. It just like said, I'm gonna snap your whole tree in half. So yeah, the backyard is gonna get some chainsaw work for sure. So that's about all I got to show.